Hi, it's Gary Kayye. We are here live at the Microsoft flagship store in Manhattan, and I have Mike Marusic here, who's the president and CEO of Sharp Electronics. First off, thanks for inviting me.
Thank you. Glad to have you here. It's going to be a great event today. We're really excited about it. So thanks for coming.
Hey, I'm excited about it too. So what you're going to see and what we're going to see today as a group is the official launch of the Windows collaboration display. And Sharp is the only company with a certified Windows collaboration display. That's a heck of a feat because that takes a long time to accomplish.
Yeah, that is quite a feat. It's a very rigorous process to get approved, and Microsoft is very close to what they want the specs to be, what they want the criteria to be, and for us to be able to accomplish that, it took a while, but we're really proud of the outcome. And to be the only one able to do it, well, that's an achievement for our team. So that makes us feel great.
So it's more than just a collaboration display. We've had collaboration boards out for about 3 years now. In fact, many would argue that Sharp innovated that category way back when with the Aqueous boards, the original Aqueous boards. But this new category of collaboration displays raised the bar, but then the Windows collaboration display, basically this WCD product goes to a different level.
Yeah, I really think it changes what everyone will perceive as a collaboration display, because now you're integrating the Office workflow, you're into Microsoft 365 into the conference room. People can adjust their systems. What we've shown today, you can collaborate across the globe seamlessly, but it also adds other elements such as taking the temperature of the room, making sure that the air quality is good, built-in video conferencing. So all those capabilities will really change the way people look at collaboration. Seamless collaboration, no matter where you are, no matter how you want to do it.
So we're actually going to do this live around the world at the same time simultaneously, which is perfect for the niche of the product, right? I mean, we're going to be coming live from Amsterdam, I know that.
Amsterdam, Spain, Seattle, and here in New York.
Okay, Amsterdam, Spain, Seattle, New York. So all that's going to be, we're going to do a simultaneous worldwide launch of the product. But even though it is integrated with 365 and Windows specialized, or let's say, perfectly fit for Windows-based users or Microsoft companies, it also is compatible with other platforms, right?
That's it. I mean, we've always been a big fan of agnostic platforms, right? Because you don't know what you're moving into. And so in the office space, you want to be able to use the technology people have already. Right. And I think that's critical for this platform. So today we'll be showcasing it with Microsoft. And I think really what we want to show is no matter where you are, if we can do it around the globe, you can do it around a city, you can do it around a state, you can do it around the whole country. The point is this seamless collaboration, the ability for everyone to work together no matter where they are.
Yeah, and also the tools. So let's say you're a Zoom user, you can still use Zoom, or you're a WebEx user, you can still use WebEx, or of course it's integrated with Teams. Absolutely. And Skype, I guess, is the uniqueness there with the certification, right?
Yeah, I mean, obviously I want to be sensitive to the fact that, hey, we're here at Microsoft and we're leveraging their platform today, but you're absolutely right. Yeah. We're able to integrate with anyone out there, and that really is the value of the system, is walk into a company and say, look, we want to augment what you already have. Right. We don't want you to have to revamp everything. How do we make it better? How do we make the investments you made in your technology better? That's really what we're trying to do.
So we've kind of given you a little sneak peek while we've been doing this interview of the collaboration display. To find out more information, you can go to sharp.com and click on the professional site, or I believe there's a direct Sharp professional site, right? What is that?
Sharp USA Professional Displays.
Okay, Sharp USA Professional Displays. And I'll put a link in the video description of how you can get to that. And of course, I'll link directly to the WCD product line. And let's check out what else is going on here. And thanks for watching. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate you joining me today.
Thanks for joining us.